Hey, fishy, fishy, fishy. Hey, fishy, fishy. Hey, look, the snail moon. Is this thing on? Oh, shoot, we're live! Change the camera! Change the camera!
Well, South, after some technical difficulties, we are out of Bikini Bottom and back in the studio. I am Spring, and for today's show, we have news on cheer and dance tryout registration, as well as basketball conditioning has started. Polo tickets are on sale now, and Spirit Week continues with our assembly on Friday. Juniors have state science testing next week, and clubs have upcoming meetings, events, and a food drive starting next week. Now, let's get into the details. Most importantly, Polo tickets today are $20 with ASB and $22 without. And tomorrow is the final day, meaning it's $25 for everyone. So make sure you get those tickets today so you don't have to spend that $25. It is still Spirit Week. I hope you have been dressing up for today, as it is Tacky Tourist Day. And finally, Friday is not only class colors, but it's also our assembly. As for those colors, seniors are red, juniors are blue, sophomores are yellow, and freshmen are green. And staff is black and white. Tomorrow is an assembly schedule. That means classes will start at 7:25. WTV will be at 9:45, and the assembly itself will be at 1. Attention all juniors. State science testing is coming up next week. All juniors will take the test. Check your grade level Google Classroom for your specific time. See Mrs. Wood in the library if you have any questions or if you need to switch your session. Back to the topic of tomorrow. Are you ready to show off your SK pride?
It's Spirit Week. You know what that means? That's right, it's class colors. But what are they this time? Freshmen have green.
That's right, freshmen get the color green. And they get this cool hallway.
And now for the sophomores. Yellow.
Yellow, it's yellow for sophomores, along with this fancy hallway.
Juniors, blue.
If you're a junior, you can be blue. Indeed you do, you get to be blue. And you have this lovely hallway to accompany you.
And now, for my class, the seniors. It's red time.
An excellent end for this colorful assortment of students. It's the color red, and you guessed it, we also get a Cool Beans hallway.
But we've still got staff who gets black and white. Make sure to show off your spirit tomorrow with class colors.
Remember to dress up. Luckily, I know I have enough blue. Now let's talk sports. Final Forms registration is both open for cheer and dance tryouts next year. Dance tryouts are April 27th to 29th, and cheer tryouts are May 12th to 15th. Register and you will receive information from the coaches. Check in with the athletic office for more information. And if you're just looking to do some weightlifting, boys and girls basketball are each holding conditioning sessions. You must be registered to participate. Last night, our undefeated girls water polo team visited Enumclaw, and the streak was kept alive, besting the Hornets 15-13. Leading the team on offense was Martin with 5 scores, followed by Robinson and Spiker with 3 goals, Hayden with 2, and Johnson and Nelson with 1 apiece. Today will be a tough match against Stadium. Now for our schedule of events. Today, girls tennis is on the home courts against Emerald Ridge. Just a few minutes later, girls water polo will host Stadium. Baseball will make up its game from yesterday against Sumner. Fast pitch is in action against Spanaway Lake. C-Team boys soccer is on the road to take on Olympic. And JV and varsity boys soccer will stay at home to face Bonnie Lake. Tomorrow, track is hosting Puyallup. Baseball is back at it again, this time taking on Bethel. Good luck, Wolves. In club news, boys volleyball will have an officers meeting today in room 339. Join FCCLA and their spring huddle filled with creativity and treats. Relax, decorate your own Easter egg, and have some snacks. Rumor has it there might even be an Easter egg hunt. It's today in room 104. Poetry will be meeting on Tuesday in room 332. Just Serve is sponsoring a Kids Helping Kids food drive, collecting items for the Bremerton Backpack Brigade and the SK Backpack for Kids programs. This runs from April 6th to May 7th. Collection bins in the main office and the library. The clubs meeting today are 3D Wit, AAPI, Art, Boys Volleyball, Ceramics, DECA, FCCLA, Flight, German, Japanese, QSA, Psychology, Spanish, and Unified. The club's meeting tomorrow will be Drama and Link Crew. Just one last piece of news for our seniors. You can pick up your graduation gear from the counseling office during non-class time only. The class of 2026 yard signs are not available yet. When they do get here, you will be notified ASAP. That was our last bit of news. I hope you enjoyed today's show, and I'll see you tomorrow. I've been Spring.